How to fix the messages icon missing from your home screen. So to fix this issue, first of all, by default the messages app is added to the home screen. So if you have accidentally removed it from your home screen, or for some reason the app itself removed from the lock screen, now to add it back, first of all go to the app library. Now from here you can search for the messages app. Now tap and hold on this messages app and then drag it to your home screen. So that's how you can find the missing messages app icon on your home screen. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.